Today's shout out goes to a great outfit here in Great Falls that just does this wonderful wrap on the slingshot. I ordered the kit and he put it on today. And go nice and slow and take our time so you can really look at it. Let you roll down through. Pretty much covered everything on the slingshot. Love the colors. The way they run up through. It's pretty cool. Yeah, get around over here. Yes. Now, the kit had approximately 300 parts in it. So you can see how it all turned out. It's a beautiful wrap. I guess it'll protect the paint from 3 to 5 years. And I'm really impressed with it. I like it a lot. And you walk around, check her out. And the kit continues to the inside too, so go nice and slow here so you can get a good recording of what you're really looking at. All the way through the inside to the corners. Then you come up here and it goes behind the seat, up around the edges, off to the side, and over just about everything on it. And it's a Leaf Artisan Arts. That's who it's made by. You get around here. Racing graphics. Oh, I'm really enjoying this. I hope you guys really like this video. Pretty amazing what they can do. Oh, Fuzzy Kitty's outside. She's talking to me. And it comes down to around to this side. This is pretty nice, pretty nice. And it comes up around and up in through the back, and then you get down. This is what the driver's side graphics look like. Running up through the cowling, up to the top, and you come around down to the side. Well, nobody can say my slingshot looks like theirs anymore here. Okay.